Hello everyone. Welcome back to Universitario Conversa. Today we're going to explore an exciting tool that can help you practice your English right from the comfort of your home. Have you ever wished you had a conversation partner available all the time to practice English with? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we'll look at how ChatGPT can help you improve your English speaking skills for real-life situations. Using ChatGPT is extremely easy to use. Read these very easy steps to start using it. Install ChatGPT. Sign up. Start speaking. Let's do it with some images so you understand better. Alright, the first step is to open your store at your cell phone. The next one is to look for the application ChatGPT. Number 3. Install it by tapping on the button to get. Step number 4. Log in with your Gmail account and password. Then click on the headphone icon and start speaking. Great job, guys. Now, let's have a role-play conversation with ChatGPT. This will help you understand more clearly how to improve your speaking and listening skills. First of all, you need to have your prompt ready. Prompts are essential for directing the AI's behavior and ensuring that the output is aligned with the user's expectations. Basically, they are instructions to the AI so it acts like a person in a real-life situation. Please, watch the next video carefully so you can see and listen a real-life situation with ChatGPT. Let's do it.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. It's great to have you here. Let's jump right into it. Could you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about CNCO?
Yeah, sure. My name is Pau and I am a manager of the boy band CNCO.
Nice to meet you, Bao. Can you tell me what your favorite song by CNCO is?
My favorite song by CNCO is Reggaeton Lento because it's the more important song for this band, boy band.
Thank you for watching our video tutorial today. I hope you found the demonstration on using ChatGPT to improve your English speaking skills for real-life situations at any moment. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a like and share it with your classmates who could benefit too. Sharing helps more learners discover tools to improve their English. Thanks for watching and keep practicing your English.